Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'll be showing y'all how to make my #1 favorite dish of all time, which is Shanghai style braised pork belly. So there are a lot of ways to make this dish. The one I'm showing y'all is just how my family makes it. We usually love to add tofu and egg just to help soak up that delicious sauce. Additionally, this recipe serves about 8 to 10 people, just because I wanted to make enough for my parents to pack for lunch for the next few days. If you want to make less, just cut the proportions accordingly. We're gonna start by boiling 3 pounds of lean skin-on pork belly that's cut into 3/4 to 1-inch pieces. I got mine at an Asian supermarket and the butchers cut it for me, which saves a lot of time and is usually free. We boil the meat first because it helps get rid of any impurities and helps jumpstart the cooking process too. Afterwards, we're gonna drain the water and set the meat aside. In a wok or large pan on low heat, we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of cooking oil and 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Once the brown sugar starts melting a little, we're going to add the pork belly in and turn up the heat to medium. Once the pork belly starts turning a little brown, we're going to add in a 1/4 cup of regular soy sauce, 1/2 cup of dark soy sauce, a 1/4 cup of cooking rice wine, and 3 cups of water. You're just going to stir everything together and then cover it up with a lid. You're going to let the meat cook for about 45 minutes to an hour on medium heat, stirring every 5 to 10 minutes to prevent it from burning. You can add more water if it starts drying up, and you can also add more brown sugar or soy sauce to make it sweeter or saltier. Usually Shanghai style is really sweet, which is why I added so much sugar in the beginning. Also, the longer you cook it for, the more tender and flavorful the meat will be, which is why it takes so long. And while the meat is cooking, you can boil your eggs. I used about 10, you could use any amount you want. And after the eggs are done, just let them cool off and then peel them. We're also going to cut little slits along the egg just so it can soak up the sauce easier later. Once the meat is tender, add the tofu in. A pro tip is to cut the tofu in half to soak up more of the sauce, and we're just going to let that cook for 5 to 10 minutes, and then we're just going to add the eggs in and cook for another 5 to 10 minutes with the lid off just to help caramelize that sauce. And last but not least, add some chopped green onions on top for garnish. You can serve this with rice and veggies. I use bok choy for my meal, any veggies will do. And now all you have to do is enjoy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and thought it was easy to follow along with. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I post videos every Tuesday and Saturday on this channel, and videos every Thursday on Ollie the Cat's channel, so hopefully y'all can check those out. I guess I'll just see you guys next time. Bye!